I don't know if y'all can hear it, but they're testing the tornado sirens outside over in Sherwood Park. They had 2 of them going, now one just shut off, so they're testing them. Now there is a train going by at the same time, but there wasn't earlier. I don't know what kind of air raid siren that sounds like, but they got it off, but they got it going off, and it's over in Sherwood Park. I checked on the internet. Hello everybody. They're testing the sirens again. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Too much road noise maybe not be on the camera.